Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Jesus, me make this fast in your heart. Guys, I wanted to pull this prank from yesterday, never did a workout, so today I'm gonna try to execute it. It's morning time, Jace is still asleep. Babe, I'm sorry. I don't know when the boys start about music, and guys, I am so proud of Jason. Jason put in the work and them sound really good. I'm gonna prank him and tell him that I'm not feeling music. I want to see him react because normally when him have nothing new, he will come to me and sing it to me and say, babe, tell me how this sound, or babe, whatever. You know, I mean him alone there, but I could go in there, I could just try to get in him skin. Yeah.
That's weird.
What do you want to talk to you about? Don't worry.
Talking?
Don't worry, it's okay.
Keep talking. Keep talking. Eh? So early? Where's the way? Hey, where is it? Talk quick.
Why me have to talk quick?
You want to wait them wake up to talk then?
I think about something.
Yeah, party.
So now that we get what brain for do?
Exactly, so go and think.
I'm gonna want to run it by you.
Heard it, no, heard it, walk it, fly it.
I know you start the back of music and stuff like that, but what really invigorates you to start back?
Yeah, my destiny.
Oh, so you love it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. If you never did do YouTube or music, what do you think you would have do?
Boy, I don't want to tell you.
Why?
You really want to know? If life never work out for me, I just ring me a phone.
Baby, you.
That's a, you see, you think you know somebody but you don't.
Babe, I'm not joking.
After that, you see me a smile? You see me a laugh? How much am I teeth them?
And that you would have do, babe?
What do you mean?
As much as I would have want to say, probably if you just do it then, but me can't say that because I don't support that.
Exactly,
But
so where you go with it?
The music thing, I don't know. I don't know if I feel whole music thing.
Alright. Where do I feel it though?
I mean, your writing skills nice, but
But
I don't know, just my best advice is just stick to being a YouTuber.
you can't tell me that. I was an artist before I was a YouTuber, you didn't know that?
Yeah, I know, because I used to DJ or something
You
to
didn't know
me.
say all these years when I see people do them song, I hold my peace and compose and just continue to do the video them. You didn't know that?
Yeah, but me never know say they go. Like when you tell me say you go do back music, me did just I drop because me I say, babe, nah do it. But first to say you do it, me not. Why man?
Get to your point, look, I mean, that's the way I say, no, you're just a girl, be a corner with me.
And I think, me no want to say it.
So what?
Stick to YouTube.
Bro, you know, you just have to take a longer job.
Alright, babe, just stick to YouTube.
So, I know on YouTube, it's me upload my music them.
stick to doing vlogs and challenges and...
You want me to stick to that?
Well, I'm just a bit honest.
Honest with what? You know, I'm not going to tell me nothing. You just have to stick to. Stick to what? Why?
Your voice is just too soft for this whole music thing and... It's just soft.
Oh, so you have a problem with my voice?
No, I didn't say that.
I wonder how much people have a problem with it. Or are you alone?
Yeah, I appreciate the honesty.
Bro, you just say one line. You wait for about 20 minutes now, you just say one line. What honesty in that? I mean, that's not
The
that.
music thing not gonna work out for you.
How you know that?
The voice there.
What you know about music?
Babe, let me tell you something. I'm going to the studio right now. They're different story.
Let go of me, you foolishness.
Babe, may I tell you, if
You
you
wanna
stop...
do- you can't even sing one song where you know much less. Stop it.
Babe, me go clash right now. Babe, me go clash.
Just leave me alone.
Babe.
Yo, it's too early for this lady. You could have.
Yo, you don't know, say, girl, Iandra. Yeah.
And you never critique my music, you better somebody else.
Yo, Razor, you don't know, say, you blazer. The phaser. Babe, me just show you how you can do it thing.
One
babe.
views per YouTube that would I get.
Babe, you know, say, if you take my advice, me tell you where me I come from, babe. Look here.
You want me here
Babe.
and sing?
Babe, just...
So talk to me,
just
so
just keep this to myself.
So keep it to
So you
yourself,
see,
you know what that then.
you go down like when you get to rhythm them, the 16 bars.
Bro, me teach you about that, what you tell me?
Babe, let's listen to what me say now. Me act like me don't know things what me know. So you get to rhythm them with the 16 bars, you go down with the voice. You clear your throat and you just go down. Like find everything in it to work. Babe, you're not gonna take me serious. You're not gonna take me serious till it's too late. Yeah, babe. You don't understand.
I am as confused can be. I don't know what you're saying, babe.
Babe.
All I want to know is why you wait me what I'm to confuse me.
Alright, hear the song I want to make.
Wait,
But
wait,
let's give
wait.
one example.
Babe, why you tell me about song you make, bro? You don't just tell me say,
Babe, that's why I say if you want to do this music thing, you have to take my advice.
no, you don't just tell me nothing.
Hear the song I want to make and hear me tone. Put up your eye. Wait. I show me nervous. Put up your hand if you want eye, but you want fame. Wait, watch me and laugh. They're not going to take me serious. There. Put up your hand if you want eye, but you want fame.
Now you made that.
Yeah?
Okay. Big up yourself. But no make nobody hear you for no live or no video, so that here.
And you me I tell a baby.
Just I tell you still, nobody sing that when nobody hear, I tell them say you make it.
Why you say that?
That is not your song, Angel.
I'm doing him Angel first of all. And why you think that's not my song? You hear from me?
Hey, what do you mean you waking me up, babe?
Babe, but me just I tell you.
So what?
And I like say, me not love your music. Me love your
What
music.
are you telling
know.
me? Come straight out and
alright.
come out and tell me
Me
something.
love your music, but
Oh,
me
what?
have advice to give you.
So give me now, me go back on my bed.
May I tell you, say just stick to your whole vlogging thing.
That's an advice.
I best advice me can give, but if you don't want the advice, I can just help you work on the craft.
Me good.
Baby, sure you don't need me help? Not because me's a female,
No,
you know?
there's no discrimination against females. The first song I dropped officially was with a female. So what are you trying to say?
That was good.
Now,
But the one day when me I listen now.
which one is
I
yours?
just the one we put out with the girl, superb. You find Panda one day.
Now,
But you see one day where you are right now, me I feel think twice.
but what?
If me even want to represent you as a wife. If me even want to be associated with you.
Oh, because I do things that I sing about. Lick your chip.
Bro,
Where you bro me from? You lick your chip.
that's not what I was complaining about.
So me ask you, and
Me just said they not sound good.
that you say?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what you know? Make somebody else be judge of that, no?
Babe, but me have to tell you before you put you up, make somebody else go hear that.
Hear what?
Me go change few lines in it.
Change full lines and what? Change two lines now, what, my song them?
Yeah.
Why not you just start an artist channel too?
Maybe I consider it, you know. But me I say,
Yeah.
so me just want to stick to my thing. Because let me tell you, see sometimes when you see some people that just one thing they have to load and kind of start, they're not in my league.
So we attack me?
Babe, me not call no name.
Babe, you can't even sing a song where you know.
Babe, and that you think me trick you fall for your trick. That's a rule number one, you don't fall for your trick.
You can't trick me with nothing. Feel like a bird brain with just
Babe, me can't stop my music, you know.
Feel like a brain look like hummingbird brain. You can't trick me with nothing.
You take me for a joke. But me tell you something, could hear this. Just a joke. You take me for a joke. You take me for a joke. Me not eat pork. And this is soak. That,
You know me?
that like
My only thing is why you with you.
That's like the canned version. Because you get it soak, salt. You sang them have to tell a story. Even know say I got joke over me, I say. Where you see? Where you see?
You just come to me with a big fat joke in the morning.
Maybe it's not a joke.
What are you trying to say to me?
You just not understand me.
So come on straight and talk then.
Me I tell you say you have to make me manage the thing.
Manage what?
The music.
How?
So me say, Razor, change this, take it from your guts, take it from your
Well, I
guts.
don't know if time you have lines last and you said to me, I consider where I say, so what are you saying?
Just as say, me don't me I feel the whole music thing.
What for me?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, when we post the next song, because you know, because one person's opinion no matter, you know.
But this time I love it, but
What?
me just a come clean now. Even though you see me I rap to it and stuff, but just rap because we never have nothing else to do.
You know why me not phased? I don't know if you know. I not beat my own chest or pat myself on the back or clap. Because we know where I come from with music, there's nothing where somebody can tell me if I sing them not sound good.
You want them back in a high school? Slap.
There's no way my songs back in the high school can sound better than now. I'm the best version of myself right now. So what are you trying to say? Like you can't beat me in that confidence how me I feel, babe.
Big up yourself still. Nothing try, nothing done.
Alright. So when we drop the next song we talk about that. So make sure so the dislike cover your dislike.
Baby, now go dislike me, I tell you a thing.
Baby, so you know come straight your way, so if you stick to you for the flag in an hour.
I tell you, say,
Tell me say what?
if you make me drop in 2 lines and I sing them.
Oh, you want to be a part of my music?
No. I want to be a ghostwriter because I know
Before
I have it.
ghostwriter, I deal with ghostwriter, babe.
But I have it, babe. You gonna make my lyrics go to waste?
You have one in English, I need a ghostwriter. No. No, this a youth. I write my story them from scratch. Need a ghostwriter, no. Why me not take you serious, babe? Why me take you serious? You're going to get up in the morning this morning with a plan.
Baby, it's not a plan.
It's a what? It's a what? It's a what? Because there's no way you can go tell me that after you sit down and rap this song, the song that we do it like you tell me. I know you're going to stick to your vlogging. What change them? Oh, you know, I'm a ton artist.
No, babe, I want you to turn artist.
You know what I'm an artist.
Me can't help you be the best version of yourself.
But
Babe, me I tell you, if you use me like secret, never tell it. If me tell me, I go help.
Bro, you
Me not tell nobody.
What?
Babe,
Why you not going to tell
Babe,
nobody?
look on this.
What?
The same word I'm sing one song right now.
And that's not
like
music.
one interview.
That's not.
Babe, you have to can freestyle.
What?
Say me freestyle, me I show you say me can do it.
What?
Babe, me not tell nobody.
What you want me to
say
sign
give
you?
a line.
You want me to sign you?
No, me not
Okay.
tell nobody say me give a life. Enough man me give lines, you know. But
Oh.
babe, me never tell her because that was a secret. See? Me keep
My girl, come out of me with the gibberish, no man.
Babe, if me not tell you about them when me give lines, who me I go tell for you?
Who you can give lines?
Babe, enough big artists. If something come to me, me just text them it.
I would advise those people not to open a message from you with no lines. Because that would be the reason why they fall off. Babe, just, alright, me wait now. Make me understand. Thank you.
You still love me?
Of course, I love you. Cause yeah, circus.
Yeah, why you ever hear this? Would I even say that?
Me, but you're a joker.
Joker, me no smoker. Listen to you, poker. Wait, sorry. It's a prank. It's a prank. Wait,
No.
it's a prank.
The most prank. Nobody know who. Bro.
Babe, you know me love your music. Babe, you didn't even really fall for that.
I did not fall.
And I always commend you.
I did not fall one bit, babe.
Did you feel away? Me still feel hurt when me tell you to stick to vlogging.
That baby can't, baby, you don't understand. Say this was all a part of my master plan, baby. So what you gonna tell me? Say, you think me put on my music?
It's a prank. You have a master plan.
Yes.
He's never hear that.
So what, bro? So what if people hear that? That was a part of my master plan, bro. You think we put it down for nothing at all? It was strategic.
I'm proud of you.
Okay.
I'm really proud.
So this is what you're on bed for? That I want to ask you.
Have me do one prank from yesterday, me did a prank you know. What is it through Jamila today? Me never want to do it in front of Jamila because I don't want to feel no way.
You want to feel away, Jamila, that tell you say?
No, me know that
Move from
Jamila that pick up fear because
Yo, make your message on my phone then. Make your message.
guys, from yesterday me want to do the prank you know but through just a friend did
Well, I
it.
know.
Me never did want to. You know what do it because
Yeah,
even when me I say a while ago say if you stick to vlogging, hear me the cheese that is so hard.
Listen up. Now, what was the night we get this? Hold on.
Bad man. Feelings.
You want to hear?
Run. Feelings.
Yeah.
No joke. Yeah, it's on a blood clots. Run, you see?
But you not be proud of you know?
You see, fine, so you know, just use it dog. Every rhythm you can.
Yes, babe. So, me tell you, say, nobody can give me confidence for music because I know what I have.
Baby, I have it. Me not lie you.
I know what I have.
Hey.
Me I know the best, but I
Guys,
have.
trust me, nothing what me say a while ago. Me not mean.
Babe,
Just a
babe,
tiny
you
time,
couldn't
yes.
cheat me with that, babe, because it is, as me said, me I know the best, but it was, the song that I do right now are so good. You can't deny them, babe. Trust me, if you couldn't sing out, babe, me know one thing, baby. One thing with you, you just say, babe,
If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Bye guys.